If I told you you could use Canva to make money working from home, will you believe me? Now, before you think this is too good to be true, let me stop you. The truth is, people are already using Canva to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single month. And guess what? Most of them are not professional designers. Some are students, stay at home mom, and some are complete beginner. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 powerful ways that you can use to make money with Canva in 2025. And trust me, if you watch this video to the end, you're not just going to learn how to start today. You're going to learn some of the methods that can give you passive income while you are sleeping. And number 18 and 19 are life-changing. Those are the reasons why some people never worry about this again. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. So let's dive into the video. Number one way you can make money using Canva is create and sell printable and worksheets. Think of budgeting sheet, meal planners, goal trackers, and even classroom worksheets for kids. Parents and teachers are buying this every day on Instagram and Amazon. And here is the beauty of this. You can create this once on Canva and upload them, and you keep selling forever, and you can make passive income with this. But two ways you can make money from Canva is selling Canva templates. Templates are huge. Instagram posts, resume, media kit. Busy people who don't have time to design, but they will gladly pay you for ready to use templates. I know of someone who started selling simple Instagram templates for $15, and within months they have made over $2,000 just from Canva template. This could be you. Number 3 ways you can make money from Canva is journal and planners. Think about it. Self-care journals, wedding cards, fitness trackers. These are evergreen. You can create them in Canva, upload them to Amazon KDP, and then boom, you can start making money from this as passive income. Number 4 ways you can make money from Canva is design ebook covers. Authors may be great writer but terrible at design. That is where it comes in as a Canva designer. You can create this ebook and sell it to this author. You can sell between $30 to $100 on Fiverr or Upwork. 5 ways you can make money from Canva is through invitation and announcements. Weddings, birthday, graduation, baby showers. Canva make it very easy for you to easily design this beautiful invitation. You set them as a digital download, or you can offer them as your service to these different clients online. Now, 6 ways you can make money from Canva is through social media graphic for businesses. Let's be honest, businesses need content daily. Many of these business owners don't have time or the skills for them to do this design. You can design Instagram posts, stories, Facebook ads, and even YouTube banners, and charge $200 to $500 per client, and can have multiple clients every month. So let's say you have 5 clients, that's you have already made between $1,000 to $5,000 in a month. About 7 ways you can make money from Canva is through graphic info. Infographics make learning fun. Bloggers, teachers, and coaches love them. Imagine charging $50 per infograph and creating 10 in a week. There are already infographics on Canva that you can just edit and sell them online. Number 8 ways you can make money from Canva is digital planners. Now, why am I repeating digital planners? Because they are profitable. In fact, digital planners are even better because people are using them on iPads, phones, and no shipping, no stress. Just design them and you can sell them all over again. Then number 9 ways you can make money from Canva is through social media ads. Ads need to catch attention in less than 3 seconds. Now, if you can design screw stop ads in Canva, you can sell them to different business owners. Then number 10 ways you can make money from Canva is through Pinterest graphic. Pinterest is a good mine for bloggers and affiliate marketers. You can design eye-catching pin that drive traffic to websites. You can offer this pin design as services to different bloggers. Number 11 ways to make money from Canva is create print-on-demand products. Use Canva to design graphic, pattern, quote, and upload to sites like Printify, Redbubble. Anytime somebody order a mug, t-shirt, or hoodies with your design, you get paid for it. Number 12 ways you can make money online from Canva is through presentation and video courses. You can design beautiful slides in Canvas, record your screen, explaining them, and sell it as a digital courses. People pay for knowledge. Canva make you look professional even if you are just starting. Number 13 ways you can make money from Canva is through paid newsletter and subscription. Imagine creating exclusive design, maybe a pack of social media templates or monthly planners, and you set them on a subscription of let's say $10 in a month, and you have 100 clients for that month. As you make $1,000 from selling planners. 14 ways you can make money using Canva is through travel itineraries. Travel agents and influencers love well designed itineraries. You can package them and sell them on Amazon and eBay. Some people earn over $1,000 plus in a month designing these itineraries and selling them online. Number 15 ways you can make money from Canva is through website graphic. Now every website needs visuals, banners, blog covers, product image. Canva lets you create banners or images in just a few clicks. Number 16 ways you can make money from Canva is designing website. Now this might shock you. You can use Canva to design a simple one-page website. You can use this website as a landing pages or portfolio. Then you can charge clients to customize it and set it up for them. Number 17 ways you can make money from Canva is use Canva to design thumbnail. Most YouTubers they spend a lot of time creating their videos, but some of them they don't have catchy thumbnail that can make people to click their videos so that their video can get more views. So that's where you need to come in as a designer on Canva. So you can approach this YouTuber and tell them your services, and can charge between $5 to $20 creating thumbnail for YouTubers. Number 18 ways you can make money from Canva is join Canva creators program. You can upload different photos, elements, templates on Canva. You can get paid for it. Anytime somebody use your design on Canva, you can get paid for it, and this can give you passive income from Canva. Number 19 ways you can make money from Canva is join Canva affiliate program. Anytime somebody use your affiliate link to sign up on Canva, you get paid for it, and this can give you a passive income from Canva. Number 20 ways you can make money from Canva is create and sell ebooks. You can use Canva to design beautiful ebook. You can share your story, knowledge and tips and create it in form of ebook and start selling it. You can upload this ebook to different sites and sell them. You can sell them on Seller, Amazon and any other platform, and this can also give you a passive income. So here is a bonus tip that can help you to maximize this platform and make more money from this platform. Now you can mix and match 2 to 3 of these ideas that I share in this video. So for example, you can create a printable, then sell them, then offer a subscription, then use affiliate link. That will multiply your streams of income just from one skill. So there you have it. Now you have seen over 20 ways you can turn your Canva into an ATM machine. For you to get started, you don't need to become a professional designer on Canva for you to start making use of this process. So in the comment section, let me know which of these ideas you are going to start today. If you got value from this video, do what to like this video and so drop your comment in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do what to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other videos that you can use to make money online, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description on this video. So I will see you in my next video.